$1,226.14 plus $387.26. Bob Cratchit, I can't work down here with all that noise outside. You stay here and count this money. I'm going to go upstairs and see what all the noise is about. I'll be right back. Just go upstairs. Take the house with lots of money. La, 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 la. Here's the window. I see the problem, Cratchit. There's a bunch of people out here in the street doing nothing. Well, it's that time of year again. People start acting crazy. Let their kids run wild. No discipline. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Spend the money on silliness. Humbug. Lady, would you get that camera light out of my eyes? You in the middle, lady sitting on the floor with the camera, turn it off. Thank you. Put it away. You don't do that in movies, do you? Well, then put it away. People will think you're from Oklahoma. Is that you making all that noise down there, young man? You in the white shirt? No, of course not. You wouldn't admit it if it was, would you? Blame it on somebody else. That's the American way. Bunch of noise makers. Taking a picture, sir? Are you ready? Did you get it? Then put the camera down. Sir, put the camera down. Yes. You were taking a movie, weren't you? Without permission, of course. You have a girlfriend? Is that your wife or your girlfriend? Yeah. Don't you have a job, sir? Why aren't you at work? Obviously, you're off in many ways. You're never going to get a decent job standing around with it. Must be an Aggie. What's your name, young man? You noisemaker right down here in the black shirt. You have a name? Well, stand up, tell me what it is. It's what? Say it loud so I can hear you. Say it like you're proud of it. That's better. How old are you? 8. Why are you making so much noise? Why are you getting my floor dirty? Now sit down. Be quiet. I'll make you stand back there by him. You see okay over there? Yeah? There. I suppose you're all out doing your last-minute Christmas shopping, picking out stuff you're going to give to people so they can re-gift it later. Well, if you must do it, there's one thing to remember: be thrifty. Mind your money, look for the bargains, and remember the 2 sneakiest words in the English language: plus tax. Most of all, though, be thrifty. Like that gentleman sitting there in the middle of the bench in a white sweater. Now, there's a thrifty man. That's the right idea, sir. Don't let fashion dictate to you. You wear what you want to, no matter what anybody says. Yeah. I like thrifty people. Is that your wife with you? Yeah. Any of these yours? Munchkins. Why aren't you at work, sir? Off. You're probably getting paid for it too, aren't you? Yeah, never could understand paying a man not to work. Probably, though, looking at that sweater, it's justified.